Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get crypto from Coinbase to Ledger. First, ensure your Ledger device has the most recent firmware installed for optimal security and compatibility. Next, open Ledger Live and install the specific cryptocurrency application for the asset you plan to transfer. For example, install the Bitcoin app if you are sending Bitcoin. Finally, log into your Coinbase account and navigate to the cryptocurrency you intend to move to your ledger. Now, let's prepare your ledger to receive the funds. On your physical ledger device, open the specific cryptocurrency application you installed earlier. Simultaneously, within the Ledger Live desktop or mobile application, select the Receive tab and choose the same cryptocurrency. Ledger Live will then generate a receiving address. It is crucial to carefully compare this address with the one displayed on your Ledger device screen to ensure they are identical. With your Ledger ready, it's time to initiate the transfer from Coinbase. Copy the verified receiving address directly from Ledger Live. Then, switch back to your Coinbase account and paste this address into the Send or Withdraw field for the chosen cryptocurrency. Carefully input the exact amount you wish to transfer. Before confirming, meticulously review all transaction details, including the address and amount, to prevent any errors. The final step involves confirming the transaction on your Ledger device. Your Ledger will prompt you to review and approve the outgoing transaction. Once confirmed, the transfer will be broadcast to the blockchain. You can then monitor the transaction's progress on both Coinbase and within Ledger Live until it's fully confirmed. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Securing your crypto on a hardware wallet like Ledger provides robust protection for your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.